Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So what's up mga detective? Recently ay pumunta ako ng Coron para magbakasyon at team building na rin. At sa video na ito ay papakita ko sa inyo yung mga kinainan namin sa mga island sa pinuntahan namin. Samahan nyo ako, tatakawin at igagala ko kayo. Let's go! So from this point onwards ay no talkies na ako at gusto kong ma-enjoy nyo yung foods and views namin habang kumakain.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway.
Yuhuu! Kaway-kaway! Okay, tingin dito sa kaway. 1, 2, 3, smile!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Kanin no, sa arawan? Kanin ba yan? Para daw mainit. Pa-shortcut, pa-shortcut. Pa-shortcut ng isda. Yan.
Ano pangalan mo?
Naikutan ko na lahat eh.
Ano yung pinapagod?
Yung sipad ko kanin pwede kong dagitin eh. Pansit-pansit.
Walang tubig.
Yan. Ayos.
Di ba may coke?
Ay, ano na. Yung okra.
Matigas po yung okra.
Matigas? Yung nga. Yoko, tagatan ko na. Okay, main ka ng okra para maging healthy ka, aso ha. Ang mahihilig din sa seafood ang tinamaan mo kami eh. Sige bata. Ang balahibo mo, kaya pala ang gandang balahibo mo. Kamag ka lang. Kumain ka lang. Ang kalat mo.
Kawawa naman siya sa... Walang ba mag-isa dito?
Oo, ano yan? Tama?
Paano kumain? Pusit ka. Ikaw, paano kumain?
Sige, pag nabi ikaw go, we are Rook of Coron. Okay, Rook Team Coron. Hello. One, two, three. Go! Rook Team Coron! Alright.
Ano yun?
Ano nahanap niyo? Ay! Ah? Hindi, binigay lang yan.
Kanin. Lukot ba lukot?
Ang sarap ng tanong, no? Paano ito niluto?
Inihaw to.
Talong?
Tumba nyo lang. Tapos
Tamis lagi. Ba sa pagtimpla?
sa pagtimpa ng silka.
Ah. Naiyak ko kuya kumain na. Sabi mo, may anak, hindi pa luto yung lobster ko. Oo, kahapon din ganyan siya. Pero din. Kumain na ako, lobster ulam ko.
Mahal yun.
Tapos ka na sa Ray? Lato. Ano ba ngayon sa sapat?
Tapos ang mabukas dito ha.